Okay. Good morning, Informed Beauties. So, I have a little bit of an update on the Hey Humans deodorant for you guys. I really wanted to like it, but I'm gonna show you what it did to my underarms. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my underarms right now, and they do not look pretty. I am a little like annoyed. This is the Hey Human deodorant. I did talk about this a few videos ago back. I think it's been like a month now or so, about how I was using it and I loved it. But look at my underarms. This one's the worst. Look. My underarms are so irritated. And literally, it didn't hurt yesterday or anything. And I used the deodorant yesterday, but it hurt today. Y'all, I haven't had this situation in a while, because I know that baking soda does something to me. Like, it does something to everybody's underarms, and I do less than this. I don't use it at night. I only use it during the day. And yeah, I don't know if I just have to probably switch up my deodorants. I'm not too sure, but now I'm gonna have to, like, for sure not use this, and I'm going to have to coconut oil my underarms. And yeah. How exciting. I'm not gonna say like I'm disappointed in the product, but I just really think baking soda for a lot of people does not work. And I want to say, but it's been a good run. I think I have like an ingrown. My underarms right now are tore up. Well, just a quick update on that. And yeah, it is what it is. I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.